Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Looking at the mouth and the girth on that thing, she definitely a female. I'm gonna say 6'4".
6 even.
6 even. Uh-oh. We had to go over there. Here we go. See, they're around the bank, man. See if you notice Patrick, he's still around the bank fishing.
Too many sticks right there.
Too many what? Guess what? Oh, I still got him.
Yeah, come on. Dang, Clay taking off.
Don't tell me it's none of both of you. Oh no, it's a bass.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Keep reeling. Good Lord. Where your net at? Oh, way on that side.
Way behind me.
Oh, man. You got him. Come on,
Patrick! Oh my goodness!
And that bad boy was flying too, boy.
Boy, he was zipping and running through the water.
Man, you gotta weigh that bad boy.
Yes, sir.
I gotta take a picture of this. Pick of my boy.
See that around here?
Yeah. Turn it sideways. There we go. Yeah. That's what's up, man. Look like the first throw of that thing, won't it?
Mm-hmm. Second throw.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys. Just got on a nice one, you guys. Throwing it up under the edge. Them the males are making the beds, and guess what? They're calling the females out the deep, you guys. Good gracious our sakes, man. Yeah, we got to get a weight on him. Hey, can you take me a picture?
Of course, dog.
Thanks, man. I don't know what that is. Yeah, okay. Ugh.
1, 2, 3. Got it.
Okay.
That dude got some big eyes, boy.
The bug eyes.
Yeah.
Let me take a picture with him this way. Then I'm gonna check a weight on him.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Right in the water.
Yeah.
So he won't die.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna check a weight on him. Here you go, Curtis.
I got you.
Yeah. Let her get that breath. I'll take that off your hands. I'll free your hand up.
Just in case you wanna get all thrashing.
Yes, sir. Now see, she done came back alive. Sorry about that, Curtis.
Trying to get loose.
Yes, sir. Good gracious, Curtis. Yeah, hold it down.
You're taking the whole bell.
Yes, sir. Hold that net right there.
Gotcha.
Six 9.
That's the same size of my PB.
Let's get her back home safe, you guys. Today is a good day.
Oh, it ain't over yet.
No, sir.
I'm trying to get off. Yeah, finally.
Woo!
Finally.
Take it easy, Curtis. Take it easy.
Trying to make sure I ain't drop my pole in the water.
Yes, sir.
I was getting ready to put it down and I realized we're about to go right in the water. Wait.
Oh, boy. I said there should be one in there for him somewhere. Yes, sir.
About time.
Curtis.
Feel about like a 2.
Yes, sir.
It don't matter. It could be a 0.5.
All right, turn around to me again. Show you catch off. There you go.
Oh, my pole didn't fall, did it?
Yeah, it ain't in the water this time.
Big dog with me.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, over there.
Good shot, Curtis.
Boy, why you need to come on out here? You missing out. Let's go.
Awesome, man.
Damn.
Oh man. Wow. Oh yeah.
Actually, I got a good deal on it.
Oh.
Come on now. Oh. Hey. Simple like crazy. I beat him up.
Hey guys, I can check the weight on this. It's about 2.5, 3 pounds. Let's get her back in the water.
I couldn't really tell you because I ain't gonna touch it right.
Right.
Thank you, bro.
Brenda's out there at the Ronald McDonald house thing they got going on because Lisa is. I know not.
Oh!
I'm a sorry partner.
No.
Good God, Clyde.
Oh my goodness.
They gotta be.
Patrick, it hit the bank. He grabbed it off the bank. Oh my goodness, man. He got it. No, he didn't. I thought he had it down his throat.
Nah, it's right on the side.
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
Yeah. I don't want to keep these big ones out too long because they'll go through that stage of dying. Then I can get everything ready. See how quick they come back alive? Yup.
He chill though.
Get you right now. Until you find out that he caught.
As soon as you hit the bank.
Yeah, he hit it. As soon as I hit the bank, he hit it. Grab it, bring it out.
Good God. Bottom of his mouth tore all the pieces.
He had them daggum crayfish and stuff probably. Man, this thing big, man. This thing is big.
I say about 7.
About 7?
I'm gonna say 7.
Okay.
Just for me on the outside looking. I want to say 10. 7, 8.
7, 8. My Lord. My goodness, guys, still fishing the same place. Right up against the edge, using jigs. Just got on a 7, 8, you guys. Oh my goodness, this thing is a monster, guys. Okay, guys, one thing about catching big fish, this is a 7, 8. Let's get him back in the water. Don't want to keep him out too long.
Yeah, hey man, I feel hit it.
Go ahead, Curtis.
Yeah, finally got one.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Curtis.
Nice size.
Nice one. Yes, sir.
Nice little baby.
Yes, sir. Hey, can you hold him up real quick? Let me get a good shot at him. Curtis!
Yeah, you get him?
I don't know if I want this joke in the boat or not.
Good God.
Woo! Man, that thing is what? 10 pounds? Yeah, what is he, about 10 pounds?
Probably. Look.
He mad, ain't he? Go ahead and knock yourself out. Let me see if I can get that thing out. I'm gonna see.
Short with him.
I'm gonna net him. Yeah.
He's pretty. I hate him because he got like head licking eyes.
And they ain't all. They got some serious teeth. Look at that.
He ain't all the way in there. I don't know where that happened. You gonna side gill grab him? Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna back up. You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
So what?
Have all that.
I don't want them. Yeah, I know, man. I know. I ain't want them, but good fight though.
That's the only thing they good for. Actual fight that you get from them. Dealing with them. It's just like dealing with a catfish. I hate dealing with them too.
Yeah. Let me get them off of here. But I'm surprised that wasn't a bass though, man. So,
right. That's what I thought it was till I seen the body. I'm like, wait a minute, it ain't no bass. I was like, what in the world is that?
Yep. Okay, let's get you up here and get you off.
Let me hold it. Hold the pole.
Hold on just 1 second.
You already see it.
Oh, he playing dead. Watch when I get him out that water. He ain't dead. Not by a long shot.
Oh, they last like catfish.
See? What'd I tell you?